morning, guys. It's Saturday and I look like a hot mess. I actually woke up really early today. I woke up at 8, but then I decided it's Saturday and I'm gonna sleep in, so I slept in until 10, which was a bad idea because now it's almost 11. I got up, showered. I didn't wash my hair today because today is day 2 hair. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog today because I woke up and felt like vlogging. And I've been a little bit inactive on my YouTube, so I just thought that I would just kind of take you guys along my typical weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Excuse my mess right there. There's just a lot going on, but I have my boots from H&M. Oops. Jeans are from American Eagle. Sweater is from H&M. I kind of cropped it because it was just cinching too tight on the waist, and then I threw on a turtleneck underneath just to keep myself warm, and then I'm probably just going to throw over a long coat. So I bought these Levi's and they're 501 skinnies and they were too big, so I have to go to FedEx to return them. I'm so sad. I was like looking forward to these, but it was just too loose. And it's the size I normally get, but for some reason it was too big and they're skinny jeans, so I was just a little bit confused, but they will be going back. So I decided to take off my sweater because it didn't go with the jacket that I wanted to wear, so I just decided to take it off. So I just opted for my white turtleneck underneath and just my brown jacket from Zara. Okay guys, hear me out. I know I'm wearing a different outfit, but hear me out. So I do this a lot where last minute, literally right when I'm putting on my jacket, I decide that I just want to be comfy. So I am wearing my hoodie that I always wear whenever I go run errands, and then I just threw on this oversized cargo jacket from H&M, and then I'm still wearing the jeans and boots. I just realized I wanted to be comfy, and I am not going to be out all day. I'm only going to be out for like maybe an hour, so I might as well just like come back and like be comfy. So, I mean, this is usually how I dress anyways, so I mean, there you go, guys. Today I'm going with the bucket bag. It just carries so much more stuff, and it can fit my camera in here, so... Target haul. Okay, here's my soda. If you guys haven't tried these, go get your hands on them. You can get them at Target. They're so crispy, crunchy, they're thin, and they're so good. So go buy these guys. They're worth every penny. Next, I picked up these really cute gold hoop earrings. And these don't have any backings to it, so, excuse me, they just clip right in. And these were $7.99 for 3 pairs, which is a really good deal. I just realized that my pink hoodie has like black lint all over it. It's probably from my jacket. I also wanted to mention that I did not make it to the post office, nor did I make it to FedEx. By the time I was done with Target, post office was already closed, and at that point I didn't feel like going to FedEx, so I just came straight home, and it was just not a productive morning, or it wasn't as productive as I wanted it to be. So I guess I'll try again Monday, because tomorrow I'm spending the day with my boyfriend and I won't have time to be running errands and stuff. So yeah, so this is where I'm currently at with cleaning. I moved my bookshelf over there, and now I have all this stuff to organize. But the thing is, anything that's not aesthetically pleasing, I don't want on the bookshelf. So I'm gonna have to find a place to put all of this for right now until I can figure out what to do with it. I did move my mirror over here, and then some other stuff I left in the kitchen. But this is what happens when I have itchy hands and I start cleaning one little area, and then I just start cleaning the entire living room. So, oh my gosh. I just realized that I wasn't recording this whole time, but I just finished cleaning. It's a little after 5, and I have to go to the store and pick up some more wine because I'm out, and Jamie is on her way over so we can finish filming the last part of her video for her wedding. So I'm gonna go pick up some wine, and she's grabbing dinner, and I'm probably gonna switch over to my iPhone. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I completely forgot to film while I was in the grocery store, but I just picked up some wine and some beer, and then I came straight home. So yeah. Happy Sunday, guys. I completely forgot to end the vlog last night because I was just so exhausted. Yeah, it was just a long night. So I woke up around 10, and then showered and got ready, and now my boyfriend is on his way over, and we're just gonna watch the Packer game and just kind of chill. He's supposed to bring me lunch, so hopefully he remembers. But yeah, I got my coffee for the morning, and then I was just watching some YouTube as I was getting ready. So now I'm probably just gonna chill until my boyfriend gets here. Today's outfit is cozy wear. I put my hair in a bun because it was just not feeling too clean, so up in a bun it goes, because I don't think I'm going anywhere today. Probably just gonna stay in and watch the game, chill, and yeah. I didn't really vlog today. I just got ready this morning, and then my boyfriend came over, and then we watched the game, and then we just kind of hung out, had some beers, and then watched YouTube and Netflix, and then he went home, and then I cleaned up a little bit, and now I'm just gonna get ready and go to bed. It wasn't really productive. Like, I didn't go anywhere today. I just stayed in. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the night here, or end my vlog here. But thanks for watching, guys. If you guys made it through my whole weekend with me. Tomorrow is a fresh week, so everybody stay safe out there. Yeah, I'll see you guys maybe next weekend. So, good night.